If you look at my channel now, it's got 50k subs with just under 50 videos. So let me show you how I'd hit 10k subs again from scratch if I had to start a brand new channel and how I could do it in 1 month. Now, I've got 50k subs on 48 videos, which is less than a video per week average. And I still grew to 50k subs in just over 1 year. That's more than 1k subs per video. And it's about a video only every 10 days or every 9 days or so. Now, the main thing you want to do is you want to niche down hard. You want to pick one topic and dominate it. In fact, even if inside that topic you can pick a subtopic, that's even better. You want to be the authority on that specific field. Now, my channel, if you look up Farhan Ahmed Zia, I'll show you, focuses on Islam, topic that billions of people care about. But it's not just Islam, it's specifically Islamic refutations. Now, have a look here. Refuted, refuted, refuted. It's videos of people talking about Islam and I'm refuting them, right? Christians, agnostics, whatever. But the point is, not only is it now Islamic refutations, now every title and thumbnail also fits that theme. So when people watch them, they don't just want to watch one of them, they want to watch every single video. Psychologically, it feels the same. Even if you look here, does the Quran contradict science? This is not even a refutation anymore, it's an explanation, but I'm using the same title, thumbnail, the Wojak Chad Islamic face, and explained instead of refuted. So psychologically, it's a dopamine hit, you want to keep watching, it's the same thing. A good example is kind of like TV shows. So you have Friends, or The Office, whatever it is. When you watch it, you hear the same intro thing, it makes you feel good, you get the dopamine, and it's a sense of familiarity. You want to keep going because you know you've watched it before, and before you enjoyed it, so you're going to enjoy it now. You know that as well. And every video is sort of the same, just like every TV show episode. You know, everyone's happy, some problem happens, they resolve some problem, the characters grow a little bit in the end, but it follows the same formula every single time, or just like a SpongeBob episode, you know, so you want to keep watching them. Your channel is no different than that. Now, if you're struggling with getting to 10k subs or 1k subs or even 100 subs, you need to grow your channel, you can book a free consultation. The links are in the description below. You can grow your channel even without knowing how to edit. I can help you even if you're working, you know, full-time 9 to 5 on the side. You want to do this, you know, just as something for fun or, you know, on the side to grow it. I can help you with that as well. I have one-on-one coaching available. Links in the description. The other thing you want to focus on is your visual branding. This is an example channel that is not successful, right? If you look, I don't even know what I'm looking at. One of them says, watch this video for Palestine. One of them says some Islamic battle, the truth. One of them says my first edit. I don't know what this channel is even about. Even though it's under the same niche that I'm under, the Islamic, I still have no idea. Whereas mine is Islamic refutation specifically. What am I looking at here? I don't know. So you want to have generally the same thumbnail style. Now, it doesn't mean you can't have different thumbnails. My channel, there's a lot of videos with different thumbnails, but you want some sense of structure, something about the same feel, there's something about one theme. So it's a bingeable channel. You get the same feel. Viewers can recognize you instantly and they can watch every single thing. If I watch one of this video, please watch this video for Palestine, I don't even know who this person is or what this next video has to do with anything, right? So this is not how you want to do it. Now, the other thing is consistency wins. At the start, I did 4 videos in 4 months. If I'd have done 4 a week, I'd have hit 10k in the first month. If you look here, 57 views, 45 views, 55 views, 197 views, but I didn't stop. Even though I only did 4 videos in 4 months, kept uploading again and again and again. Why do you want to keep uploading? Because you're feeding the algorithm, right? Momentum feeds the algorithm. The algorithm knows what kind of videos you're making, where to push it out to, where the right audience is. So think of those first 10 videos as a test. You don't want to quit, just keep going. And the more you upload, the reason I say 3 uploads per week, even though you could just make 1 a week like I did, 3 uploads per week, it's a reasonable amount. It doesn't take that much time and you learn to make better videos. If you look at those original videos, terrible mic, terrible editing, terrible, but you don't start amazing. Over time you learn. Even now I'm still improving and learning. You also want to pick evergreen, you want to make evergreen content and binge content that age well. So yes, you can make some videos that are time specific and time relevant, but generally, holistically, overall, your channel should be something that at any time, any viewer can watch, and they watch one and they want to watch all of them. You want to keep the viewers inside your channel. So these videos, if you have a look now, 28k, this is actually 28k from those previous videos I showed you with 40 views, 50 views. If you have a look at the first 3 months, so at the bottom, 0, 91, those are all the days. So first 3 months, it basically got no views. Then it slowly got up to a few hundred. Then right here, around day 220, so just over 3 months, 4 months, that's when it exploded and got like 5,000 views. Then it kept exploding, 10,000, 20,000. And if you have a look with the arrow at the end, it keeps growing. And every day, this video actually gets 200 views every single day, which at the time it only got 50 views in 3 months. Now it gets 200 views every single day or every 2 days, which is crazy. So that is binge content. That's people. Why? Because they keep coming back. They watch all of my videos and they want to watch all the old ones too. So actually, here, yes, I have them here. So 197, 55, 45, 57. How much do they have now? 28K, 22K, 19K, 12K. Again, the first 10 videos are a test. Keep improving after you upload. You're only going to fail if you stop, right? So that's 4 videos. After 50 videos, now look how many views that they're getting, and they're going to keep getting this many views. So I even told my friend at the time, look, the algorithm needs your data. Even when they only got 50 views, I knew they were going to get thousands of views. I kept telling them, I have to keep making videos. I have to keep making videos. Once I have more than 10 videos, YouTube will know where to push my videos because it needs the data. It needs to know. It needs your help. Like, what other videos you're making? What is the niche? What audience do we put it to? It has to test and figure it out. And then it can put it to the right audience. So, I was right. And eventually, then they started picking up. That 4th video has 197 views. So it's way higher than 50, 40, 55. And then again, when I uploaded it again, it would have got 1,000, then more than 1,000, etc., etc. And it kept picking up. So my final thoughts here is that 10K subs isn't luck. It's all about strategy. You can do it within a month. Actually, mathematically, I did it in 3 months. But if I did 4 videos a week instead of 4 videos per month because I was lazy at the start, I would have got 10K subs in 1 month instead of 3 months. And if I were to start a brand new channel again, that's exactly what I would do. Niche down, whatever your niche is, whether it's football, this, MMA, whatever it is, go super niche down and then go into a sub niche. Don't just do general broad, okay, it's MMA. Let me talk about, oh, Alex Pereira, he fought the UFC. He's a good fighter. No, talk something very specific, like why Alex Pereira, his big weakness, top 10 weaknesses about this, whatever it is, and post non-stop about the sub niche that you're speaking about. Your channel will grow while you sleep. Over time, YouTube will know where to push it out. You're going to keep learning and make better videos. 10K subs in 30 days is possible. If you need help, even while you're busy, or you don't know how to edit, or you don't have a lot of free time, you're working a full-time job, you want to grow your channel, book a free consultation. Links in the description below, and I do one-on-one coaching. And thank you very much.